What's up, you? I'm sorry. Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes.
We're gonna get canceled.
Go, Joey.
We're just gonna try every Red Bull flavor. Here are the flavors, and then we're gonna rank them.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The color looks like piss yellow.
Okay.
Cheers. Oh, Joey downed it.
It tastes like Red Bull. Okay.
It tastes like Red Bull.
We'll be in the middle.
Well, we'll rate them out of 10. I feel like I'm like very like neutral
10?
positive. Out of 10.
Kind of reminds me of like
7 out of
bubble
10.
gum.
7 out of 10.
Good 7.
Doesn't it taste like
It has.
bubble gum?
It's very
like a little
candy-like.
bit?
Yeah, it is. It's not like a neutral taste. It's like it tastes like yeah.
Okay, next one.
7 out of 10.
Sugar
Free. There's no way. I mean, I was gonna say it's not gonna be as good, but like I do like Diet Coke. I think it smells less strong. The color is just as piss-like.
It tastes. Yeah, it looks the same.
It doesn't smell as
same.
strong. I feel like almost.
Really?
Maybe it does. It's not as strong tasting.
Yeah, it's just like
Kind of has an
light
interesting
Red Bull.
aftertaste, actually.
But it doesn't taste like fake sugar.
It's not bad, but compared to regular Red Bull, like original.
I would do original. It's not bad, but it's like a 6 out of 10.
Like, if this is actually better for you, then I guess that's cool.
Yeah, because it doesn't taste like a lot worse.
Yeah.
Like honestly, like who knows? I think both of them have chemicals in them.
it's like
I don't think
sweet,
either
but
are
it's
good for
more
you.
bitter than that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a little taste. This is worse. This
That's
is
worst best. Okay. Zero sugar, which I don't understand the difference between that and sugar free.
I guess we'll find out.
No, right? Because like I looked it up and it's just like, all it said, it was just like, they give you different flavors from the original Red Bull. I was like, that's not giving me any information. Yeah,
This is not good
smells
for
the same.
like, people who have bad memories.
It also looks, it has the same color.
Same color.
Yeah,
Right.
they're all
Oh.
the same.
It's like this.
It's
like
stronger
that,
than the
but-
light one.
It's like that, but without the bitterness.
The aftertaste is weird though.
Yeah.
It's like a different.
Yeah, when it first hits your tongue. Oh wait, let me try a little bit more. wait, I need, because I just like I need to like taste it.
It's weird. There's a little weird.
No, it kind of
taste that I
attacks your
don't
tongue.
like.
Oh no. The first taste and the
Yeah,
aftertaste
this
is
is not
bad.
good.
In the
It's
middle,
not
it's
good.
fine. And the initial taste and the aftertaste, no, I don't like it.
It's like medicine.
No, that's like a 4.
Yeah, I would agree.
That's not good. I would not drink that.
I'm not a coconut person.
Yeah.
Oh my god, is it blue?
You're giving
Wait,
me too
oh, sorry.
much. Surprisingly, it doesn't smell that bad.
Okay.
It smells like something that I know.
It looks
No,
like.
it smells like sorry. This smells like lotion. I would not put this in my body.
Oh, it does.
It smells like,
Like, I feel
coconut
like-
oil lotion.
I feel like there's like coconut that you eat and then there's coconut that you put on your
Looks
body.
like it
This
would
is
be-
coconut that you put on your body. This looks like mouthwash. No, I don't want it.
It's such a bad coconut. It's like not a good coconut taste. This is like very, very artificial coconut, like in the worst way possible.
But like almost at the same time, it tastes like nothing.
But yeah, other than that, there's no really
Where's the
other
berry?
flavor.
It's not giving berry. It's giving something. It's like giving me like
It's giving candle.
3-in-1.
Oh, it is so candle-like. Oh my, yeah, like air refreshment kind of thing.
Oh.
See, like it's not good. No, it's not good.
It's not good.
But like, is it worse than the zero sugar?
Honestly, I don't like. I think it's like.
I do, cause like that was like it's just in general not good in my mouth. Kind of tastes like a candle, but that like attacked my taste buds. Also a 4, but a better 4 than the zero sugar.
Tropical.
Which I don't know what that means.
The yellow edition.
I think
I
of
think
like,
like
pineapple,
pineapple.
pineapple, and like maybe.
There better not be
orange or
coconut in there. Is
whatever.
all I'll say. Ooh,
That
it's
looks
definitely
like
yellow.
A regular Red Bull.
It does. It does.
Maybe.
It looks a little lighter.
Yeah, like less.
Less like.
Oh, it smells good. It smells like
Tropical.
gummies.
Like orange.
Yeah.
Oh, it does smell like
vitamins.
gummies.
Kind of like vitamin gummies.
Yeah, it smells like vitamin gummies that I eat.
It tastes like vitamin gummies.
That's what I'm trying to get.
I'm not mad.
Oh, I don't know.
What is the flavor?
I don't think it's like.
It's like an orange vitamin gummy. I feel like that'd be good if they leaned into like
first it was
passion
very
fruit,
shocking.
mango, pineapple. That sounds like good, but this just tastes like citrus plus maybe like a little bit of like pineapple or something. I don't think I'd want like a full can of it, to be honest,
Yeah.
but I think it smells really good.
Yeah.
The taste is.
No.
I'd give it a 6, but this one's better though. I'm giving it a 6, but it's worse than the.
Okay, I would agree that it's better than the coconut, at least.
Oh, for sure. The coconut is like actively bad. This one is not actively bad. I'm just like neutral negative about it.
Yeah.
I'm excited for this one.
Summer edition.
It's not even summer though. Why did I have that?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. I feel like this is gonna be good. Oh, that is so true. I feel like we could make like a Red Bull ad.
Whoa!
Ooh!
That makes sense.
Ooh, this
It's
looks
like the
good.
Starbucks
This looks
drink.
good. It smells good. It smells good.
Leap fruit. The refresher.
Yeah.
I don't know. It kind of reminds me of like a plant, like not a flower, but like
I weirdly know what you mean. Wait. This is gonna bug me because it kind of.
no, like
It smells like a haichu.
No.
It smells like the dragon fruit haichu is what it smells like to me. I
it's
just spilled.
giving a little bit of like
Yeah, it's in like the tropical.
green. Like if I were to make a perfume, it's giving me a little green.
I feel like this is giving more tropical than the tropical. But I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I like it. That was good. I would drink it.
You seem kind of unconvinced. It's confusing.
I'm a fan.
Like,
I'm honestly a fan.
it's interesting. It does. Does it taste like dragon fruit?
No. I feel like it tastes like a haichu. Okay, what do y'all rate it?
Oh, yeah, I forgot about this.
Listen, I give it a 7.
I would give it a 5. Okay.
I'd put it as better than that.
The tropical?
But not better than
Alright,
that.
I can handle that.
All right. I can.
I'm alright with that rating.
Or maybe
I'll
it's
live
like
with that.
the same as that. But I'm-
These 3 are just like would not purchase.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh.
I do really appreciate the can.
Yeah,
Like the topping blue.
detail. Oh, purple. But it's like a darker purple.
It smells good. It's not giving me anything specific this time. No, it does. It smells like blueberry syrup like on pancakes that you get. And I
like
do.
the blueberry. It smells like the blueberry in pancakes.
Yeah.
Like in them.
No,
Like in
yeah.
waffles.
I feel the pancake too.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a
It
bit
does not
much.
taste
It doesn't taste like what it smells like. It
It
smells
doesn't
good.
taste like the blueberry that is in pancakes. It smells like nothing and like too much at the same
It's not,
time.
it's not as bad as I remember. I thought I didn't like it, but it's not bad.
I think at first it's a lot.
And
Like
then it just like
when you're
goes
sipping it,
by.
like actively as you sip. Each time you sip it.
It's not bad. It's not bad actually. I'm like not mad at it. I'd give it a 2.5.
6.5.
Better than tropical. I don't know
What
if it's better than
about
dragon fruit.
over here?
Dragon fruit. Better.
Oh, okay.
It is. I remember
No,
disliking it, but I haven't had it for a while.
I didn't
so-
think it'd be that good.
I didn't. It's actually not bad.
Oh wow, it's pink. I didn't think it'd be like.
Oh, it's cute. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher.
Oh yeah, I think it's too strong.
What do you think of watermelon artificial flavor?
I'm not a fan.
I like watermelon candy.
I don't know how I feel.
Sour
I don't know how I feel about it.
Like it's not my
I like the
first
watermelon
choice.
gummies.
No, I like that, but like if you tell me to choose like a Jolly Rancher from like
How much
a
is the blue
bag-
raspberry?
Exactly.
It's definitely giving watermelon.
I think it's, dude. This one is also similar to the blueberry one, where it's like a lot at first, and then it kind of.
Yeah.
It just goes away like right after.
I mean, like if you like watermelon artificial flavor, then it's good. It's good. I feel like this should be the summer flavor, because like I feel like that on like a summer day, that would go hard, like cold. I would say better than the original actually.
Better than the original.
I might say that.
I would
Like a
agree,
7.5.
actually.
I would
I
say
really-
like a 7.5. I'm actually
I
a
like
big fan.
watermelon flavor. It's not even
I think I
that
like it
strong
too.
in watermelon flavor.
No, exactly. It's not like
pretty
it's
good.
not right.
Okay.
I'd give that a 7.5.
Yeah.
It's a yes
Yeah,
for
new
me.
winner.
Yeah.
Peach nectarine, artificially flavored.
Peach is more hairy than nectarine.
Yeah, but like the flavors.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what the?
I didn't think it'd be.
Oh my god!
What?
I've drank this so many times.
I didn't think it'd be clear.
What?
Why is it clear?
Oh my god! Oh, it smells so good. It smells like canned peaches.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love canned
I
peaches.
have it in
Oh.
the fridge right now.
It smells like real peaches.
It does. It smells good.
Oh wait, it's actually like a good artificial peach
Mhm.
smell.
I was
reminds me
not
of,
expecting
like-
the color.
Yeah.
I can't believe I never knew that.
Oh, it
Like
is.
white peach
Yeah,
coffee
yeah.
though.
Yeah. Oh, it's so good. Wait, I've only been drinking the pomegranate one recently, but I need to get back into my peach phase because this
Peach
is
one's
good.
I can taste the nectarine too. I think it's because nectarine
Yeah.
is a little more sour, you know?
Oh yeah.
I feel like it.
Yeah.
I feel like it tastes like a peach, like
Yeah,
a nectarine.
It's good.
I really like it.
It's the
It's like,
best.
it's like an 8.5. I'm not even gonna lie.
higher.
Like a 9?
honestly. A 9.
That's a
the
9.
closest to what the flavor is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, it's obviously the best one so far.
Oh yeah. Not so good. I forgot how good that is.
Why not?
Pomegranate. This is the winter flavor, so I think they're like selling it less often.
Winter
Now, 'cause I can't find it in
edition
stores as much anymore.
pomegranate. This is like the same color as the watermelon.
Yeah, it is. It's like a dark, like magenta almost.
It smells like just like freshly juiced pomegranate.
Oh my god, my new favorite might be peach. Not my new, but like my revised favorite.
Revived.
I'm back to revived. Because as much as I love it, I think it really is a winter flavor.
No, yeah, I
Like,
think
I don't want that on summer.
I would prefer peach
Well,
during
I
summer,
think
but this during
the
winter.
But this during
reason
winter,
I
yeah.
think the reason why this is good is I think it's less strong than the other ones,
Yeah.
No, it is. It's like more like it's less like spicy.
which is
But it's
nice.
good.
After,
Yeah.
especially after drinking all of these.
It's like a nice.
Some of these attacked my taste buds. I think
It's
the
good.
peach is better. But this is like an 8.5.
Actually,
I do love
Yeah.
it. I do really love it, but the peach is a little bit better.
I like.
Do you like it better?
Pomegranate better.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not like
It's weird.
I would say the
I was
same,
drinking these.
depending
I
on
was
my
drinking
mood.
2 or 3 of these a
I
day
think it really
for a
depends.
solid month and a half.
That's not good for you, man.
your-
Please
Yeah.
stop.
So I think the pomegranate is really good, and I might even be inclined to give it a 9 out of 10 as well. But I think that the pomegranate is very much a winter flavor versus the peach is a year-round flavor. So that's why I think
So
the
that
peach
means
deserves
peach
a
is
little bit
better?
better.
It's like
Okay.
it's like
But
the
honestly,
same
they're
thing
pretty
with,
even.
Like,
Yeah.
positive, neutral positive, and neutral negative.
Okay, I get. Okay, that makes sense. Do we wanna switch anything around the rankings?
No,
Personally, I would switch these, but I'm okay with this.
I don't remember what they did.
You want to try more?
I know.
No.
Final ranking. Here's
Yeah.
the final ranking. Oh, we're gonna go. Bye bye.
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 Goodbye, my Gong Studios friends. I love you.